Select Financial Accounting to access options for managing vouchers, making bank payments and receipts, reconciling banks, and handling other financial tasks. Choose Bank Receipt from the Financial Accounting menu to proceed with managing receipts. Click the plus icon to create a new receipt entry. Choose a branch from the drop-down menu, then select the customer from the available options. Choose a customer from the drop-down menu to proceed with the bank receipt process. Select a bank or cash option from the drop-down to proceed with the transaction. Choose an appropriate currency from the drop-down menu and input the desired receipt amount in the provided field. Choose an option from the Receipt Mode drop-down list to specify the mode of receipt for the transaction. Fill in the reference No and Finance Voucher fields to complete the transaction details. Input the date for the reference in the specified format, DD/YY. Click the checkbox to mark the item for further action or processing. Enter the allocation amount in the field labeled Allocate FC to adjust the financial distribution. Ensure the value is correctly calculated based on your needs. Input the receipt amount in the designated field to proceed with the transaction. Input relevant transaction notes or details in this field to provide context or additional information for the bank receipt. Click the disk icon to save your changes. Click Issue Receipt to process the bank receipt issuance. Select Voucher Inquiry to view or search financial vouchers. Click on the magnifying glass icon to initiate a search. Click Select to choose the voucher for further details. Locate the subledger under Voucher Detail, which shows Test Customer Indonesia related to an AR control account entry. Examine the account labeled Bank BCA IDR under the Voucher Detail section. Verify the currency as IDR and ensure the exchange rate is set to 1.000. Check the credit amounts for both FC and LC, confirming they are 832,500. Ensure all details align with transaction records. Verify that the FC credit amount is 832,000 under currency IDR in the Voucher Details section.